That's it, darlings. Hello, darlings! It's me again, Zhan.
It's me, Dave.
If you're new to our channel,
Don't forget to subscribe.
and turn on the notification bell. Thank you!
Today, we will have
POV of students during a class reporting. Number 1. Reader.
Zhan, wala rin mo kandong visual aid.
Huh? Patay! Next group. Sige na.
Our topic for today is
Sige.
magnetic reversal. Magnetic reversal. Seafloor spreading was strengthened with the discovery that the magnetic rocks near the ridge follow a pattern aside from the fact that rocks near the ridge are remarkably younger than those farther from the ridge. Magnetic compass tells us the directions on Earth. It also proves that the Earth has a magnetic field. The needle of a magnetic compass usually points to the North Pole of the Earth, which is actually the South Magnetic Pole at present. Number 2. Copy paste.
Group 3. Sige, pagdali. Okay, let's start.
Naapa, ma'am.
Ha? Napa di ay?
Wala na lugar. Pwede dito, ma'am.
Sige, pwede na.
Sige, dito lang dito.
Number 3. Unprepared.
Dave, karon dito tong report?
Oh, karon, nakasuwat ka?
Hala, abi kong ugma.
Karon, uy!
Nakay kartolina? Pagdali.
Hala, nanda si Ma'am Zhan.
Okay.
Wait, di kita yun na. Uy, God.
Okay, let's start with group 4.
Kita dyan, Zhan.
Mission failed. We'll get them next time.
Present, ma'am. Okay, start group 4.
Sige na.
Number 4, English speaker.
The endocrine system group. The endocrine system is composed of glands as well as reproductive processes and mood. That's all, ma'am. Number 5. Need a helping hand. May I call now group 4? The central nervous system serves as the main processing center of the entire nervous system.
The peripheral nervous system connects the central nervous system to the organs and limbs. That's all, ma'am.
Okay, again, what's the difference between the two divisions?
Ma'am? Zhan, okay ba?
Ano ba? Somatic and autonomic nervous system ba? Anyone? Anyone from the group reporter? The stand man. Okay, continue. The somatic nervous system is associated with the voluntary control of the body movements, while the autonomic nervous system is associated with the involuntary control of the body movements.
Okay, thank you. Next group.
Loading.
Group 7.
Ang una classmates kay testes. Ang testes kay manang produces sperm cells. Ug ang may kaduha classmates kay ng ang classmate scrotum. Ang scrotum kay kanang sac of skin that holds the testes classmates. Number 8, take turns.
Unsay pamaagi na to inig report, Dave?
Ikaw sa number 1, ako sa number 2. Basta puli-puli lang ba?
Oo. Sige, inana.
Number 9, nervous breakdown.
That's all, ma'am.
Okay, thank you. What might happen to the human body if one part of the nervous system fails to carry out its function properly?
Ma'am, pwede next question, ma'am. Number 10, very prepared.
Next group.
Lastly is informal organization. That's all, ma'am.
Very good. Group 2.
That's it, darlings.
Asam ka to, darlings?
Are you number 3?
Or number 10? Just comment it below.
If you want to continue watching Points of View,
Don't forget to subscribe.
and turn on the notification bell. Thank you.
Thank you.
Bye.
Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.
Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.
See you soon. Bye.